In today's video, we'll be reviewing the 2024 Rolls-Royce Spectre. Welcome once again to Sim Action Cars Review channel. Please don't forget to subscribe, press the bell button and also, comment down below. Rolls-Royce is taking its definitive extravagance ethos to another domain with the all-electric 2024 Spectre coupe. James Bond most likely wouldn't toast the new model with one of his shaken-not-mixed signature martinis given his set of experiences of combating the global wrongdoing association known as Spectre. In any case, he should drive the magnificent new roadster regardless. The Ghost rides on a similar stage as the Ghost and Cullinan SUV yet is pushed by a completely electric powertrain comprising of two electric engines that siphon out a joined 577 drive. The driving reach is assessed to be around 260 miles for each charge, which doesn't put the Phantom among the long-range EV companion with more affordable adversaries, for example, the Tesla Model S and the Clear Engine's Air. Yet, purchasers with the $400,000 or so accessible to purchase a Phantom aren't probably going to travel when their personal luxury plane is continuously standing prepared at a close-by runway. The Phantom is Rolls-Royce's most memorable in a progression of EVs, and the organization says that its gas-fueled models will be gotten rid of the setup and supplanted completely with EVs by 2030. What's going on for 2024? The Phantom is another expansion to the Rolls-Royce arrangement and its most memorable clients can hope to take conveyance toward the finish of 2023. Rolls-Royce hasn't delivered a lot of data about the Phantom yet, including its sticker price. We hope to see exemplary Rolls-Royce highlights and choices on the new Roadster, including a progression of exceptionally adaptable bundles presented through the organization's customized plan administration. All Phantoms will accompany a double-engine electric powertrain with 577 drive and 664 lb-ft of force. Rolls-Royce says that is sufficient to move the 6,559-pound Roadster to 60 miles per hour in 4.4 seconds. You might laugh at that gauge and highlight the Tesla Model S Plaid that hit 60 miles per hour in 2.1 seconds in our testing. However, we'd rush to advise you that Rolls-Royce's image ethos is more about calm cruising than mind-bowing execution. Rolls-Royce has introduced versatile suspension to guarantee a suitably separated ride, and the specialists likewise accounted for an enormous measure of sound-stifling material that Rolls says will guarantee the lodge remains murmur calm. Range, charging, and battery duration. Rolls-Royce hasn't said how enormous the Phantom's battery is, nevertheless it's assessing a driving scope of around 260 miles for each charge. DC quick charging ought to be conceivable, yet we'd figure that most Ghost purchasers will have a charging framework introduced at their domains so they aren't compelled to stick around in the parking area of a Walmart like most of us. The Spectre's lodge offers space for 4 with seats in the 2 columns. Any individual who knows all about Rolls-Royce's ongoing inside plan will see as a likewise sensual one here, albeit the organization has added a few plan includes that are special to Phantom. For instance, notwithstanding the brand's unique Brilliant Night main event, the Ghost's entryway boards rock a comparative sparkle with little drove lights shimmering in the space encompassing the armrests. We don't yet know every one of the subtleties or have a rundown of choices and highlights, however the Phantom ought to be accessible with an apparently interminable cluster of personalization choices and material decisions. As more data opens up, we'll refresh this story with additional insights concerning mileage and certifiable MPGU, infotainment and network, well-being and driver help highlights, guarantee and upkeep inclusion. I'm glad that you now fully understand this vehicle. Would you kindly do me the favor of subscribing to this channel and pressing the notification bell button so that you are notified as soon as we upload another video like this. Thank you.